Hi, it's Mandy, CEO of Les Puces. Come with me backstage and we'll have a whirlwind tour through the new portal for the other way into town. Howard's here to guide us round and he's suggesting that we have a look at the story first. Here you can listen to the story in English or in French, plus practice vocabulary from the book, and for Christmas, click on the full screen button to get the best effect. Maybe we should look at the worksheet area next. In here you'll find 10 worksheets of different levels to help you progress through the course. You can print them out to do them again and again and either work through them with Howard or do them on your own, then come back here to check your answers. Again, you can play them on full screen and we have different levels from a crazy crossword to colouring and vocab practice. My favourite area is the song section. Start by learning our Christmas song and the actions. We've specifically made this one into a mini workout to help us off the sofa during yet another lockdown. When you've worn yourself out, have a go at the sing-along, and you may even feel confident to attempt the karaoke. Please send us a recording if you do. Everyone gets excited about the project, but pace yourself. These videos will open over the next couple of weeks. Here's what you'll be making though: an other way into town nightlight to encourage dreams of travel, adventure and friendships. And yes, we even pack in some extras because we just don't know where to stop. We're thrilled to have a guest reading of the story by Natalie Paris, aka Natalingo, who reads in such an animated and fun way you'll be enthralled even if you're still learning what it all means. Plus 2 of our other Christmas songs, because otherwise they just don't get enjoyed enough. If you haven't already ordered your pack, this is what you get in the post. Sign up now.